a phoenix, born from the ashes. I take care of my own. Torn down where I stand. You can't suffocate my spirit, 'cause I'm the king of my own throne, my own throne. King of my own throne, my own throne. You'll never see me fall, fall. You'll never see me fall. Watch me reign, and I'll say them all. Slay them all, slay them all. You'll never see me reign, and I'll say them all. Slay them all, slay them all, slay them all. You'll never steal a throne. King of my own throne, my own throne. King of my own throne.
Welcome back, car enthusiasts. How are y'all? It's DCS right back again in another video, guys. And to all of the new people who are watching this video, hit the like button, smash that subscribe button, and also press the bell icon for more of such unboxing video updates, guys. And yeah, this time it's not the Hot Wheels series. For real, it's not the Hot Wheels series. It's the Matchbox. It's the Matchbox Jurassic World, guys. It's, yeah, the Jurassic World's Matchbox. Whatever. It's the 14 Mercedes-Benz G550, guys. Okay, the disappointing part is that it's not the G63, but still, this is a really cool SUV, guys, and it's also from the Jurassic World, so, okay, there were not many action scenes in that movie. Of course, you have watched the Jurassic World movie, right? There are not many action scenes with this SUV, but still, guys, it is a really cool SUV right here. And most of these SUVs are actually luxurious off-road vehicles with a lot of military heritage that was also designed for, you know, rugged outdoor uses too. And guys, this G-Wagon right here, it has a towing capacity of about 7,000 pounds. That's legit awesome, guys. And leaving all the details for the looks and details, let's talk about the last week's video, guys. Well, last week's video was the Hot Wheels series. It was the 66 Chevy Nova, guys. If you haven't watched that, check that out. That flaming car, it'll be popping up in the screen right now. Alright, guys, I'm really sorry to say this, but there is no quick quiz this week, guys. But do give your ratings in the comment box. I'll check them out. And now, guys, let's unbox this car. I mean, SUV. And so, the G550 is out of its box, and it's a really cool one, guys. At first, I just want to say that this car has, this SUV has a pretty decent amount of detailing, guys. At first, I just thought that the fenders were coming out of the chassis, but they're from the body, guys, and it doesn't look like that. That's a really cool detailing done by Matchbox, and it doesn't miss the side view mirrors, which most of the Hot Wheels miss. And yeah, talking about its wheels, oh my god, they are so damn cool. They're not as you know, they're the off-roading types, but they're not similar to the Hot Wheels. It's quite different, and it's really nice to see that stock too. And guys, talking about the interior is much glossier than the Hot Wheels ones, which is really amazing. But the disappointing things come now that it misses the tail lamp detailing and also the headlamp detailing, and the exhaust is nowhere to be seen. And of course the tint, guys, it doesn't match this car, you know, according to me, that is. It doesn't match this car, which is pretty disappointing. Alright guys, now let's move on for the information. As we have taken a round look of this G550, let's know something about this G550 now. And now, guys, let's talk G550. It is the information of the G550, the Mercedes-Benz G550 right here. So, as it is from the Matchbox, so let's start off with the best part. That's the top speed, guys. The top speed of the G550 is 130 miles per hour, which is 209 kilometers per hour. Not bad, you know, at least, okay. And talking about the 0 to 60 time, that's really impressive, guys. It's actually 5.3 seconds. That is a really cool thing for an SUV like this. And moving on to its engine, guys. The engine is a dual overhead cam 5.5 liter V8, guys. And I totally forgot to mention, this is an all-wheel drive SUV, guys. Well, moving on to the pricing actually begins from $69,000 at present money. It begins from $69,000 to $83,920, guys. So that's what's the present pricing for this SUV right here. Talking about the transmission, guys. The transmission is a 7-speed automatic with a manual mode. That's okay, I guess. Talking about its horsepower, the horsepower from its 5.5 liter V8 is actually 382 horsepower, which is not bad, but it is still less from the G63. Well, talking about its body style, the body style is a 4-door SUV, obviously. Moving on to its production, guys. The production actually began at 1979, which is way long ago, and it's still continuing at the present. That is a really cool production run right there. Well, moving on to the dimensions, guys. That's the length. The length of this car, the length of this SUV is 4,686 millimeters. Talking about the weight, guys. The current weight of this SUV is just about 7,000 pounds. That is 3,200 kilograms. Well, yeah, okay. Talking about the width, guys. The width of this SUV is 1,823.72 millimeters, guys. Well, there you have it, guys. That's the end of the information. I hope you got, at least a bit of information about this SUV right here. Talking about its ratings. Okay, seeing its details and its information and stuff, I give it an 8 out of 10, guys, because it still misses few of the detailings, the headlamp and the tail lamp detailing. Alright guys, there you have it. That's the end of my video. I hope you guys liked it. So if you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you all next week, guys, with another, maybe Hot Wheels series. Okay, bye guys, enjoy your weekend.